Before you dive in, as a pure principle, if your chosen exam is a standardized test, it is always a good recommendation to take 1 or 2 practice tests, ideally from official sources, to get a fresh contact and look for first impressions of the exam. The resulting performance may be somewhat discouraging, but you have nothing to worry about. Now, should you seek to get all the sources and resources related to the exam, such as books, primers, past exams, and miscellaneous questions, the goal of this is to create a large database of questions. The recommendation here is to make sure that the resources are from official sources and no more than 5 years old, especially for standardized tests. We can save all the resources found into a list to start using them in column A, called Source. If you want to do it from scratch, click on Insert, drop down, and here on the right side, define all the elements. In this case, the study sources. In this way, your sources are listed.